Hey y'all, it's Ted from TED Talks Base. I got something real special for you today, especially all you band leaders out there. If you're tired of wasting a lot of time coming up with set lists and organizing set lists, this is going to be a game changer for you. So let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to 10x your set list creation process. Okay, let's get started. Step number one, obviously, is going to be open up ChatGPT. Step number two is you're going to start a conversation with ChatGPT. You're going to type in your preferences from the genre and tempo, specific songs in your set list, and then ChatGPT is going to get to work. I've already come up with something I'm just going to paste in here, and it goes a little something like this. My band is playing a wedding this Saturday. Write out a set list for my band's wedding gig. We're playing a 45-minute cocktail set that should be jazz standards and smooth jazz instrumentals, followed by 3-hour-long sets of party and dance music. We have 2 female vocalists and 1 male vocalist. And then ChatGPT is going to go to work. So I hit enter. Let's take a look at this set list. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All the stuff that you think that you would find. Now we're going to refine our requests. And so what I'm adding is we have 2 female vocalists, 1 male vocalist. The energy should rise throughout the night. I want the last song of the night to be Don't Stop Believing by Journey. The song should be a mix of rock and pop and R&B with an emphasis on R&B from the late 1960s through the current time. Make the set list include keys to each song and make the songs flow easily into each other. In other words, complementary keys. All right. So let's see the revisions. First set, not bad. These are all tunes that you would find on a regular set list. And I'm gonna just put the cocktail set first. And as you can see, ChatGPT does not really care about your spelling and whatnot. Of course, you can refine this however you want, but come on. All right. Look, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and the bell, all the YouTube things, and join the TED Talks Base community for more tips just like this one. Look out for the next video because I'm going to build on it and give you even more good game to go along with this one. All right. Thanks for watching. As always, peace. 2 fingers.